Happy Wednesday, I think. I'm recording all of this on Monday, so assuming that everything went right and you were able to get all of the Asian facts or Asia facts in your notebooks from yesterday. Today, your learning target is, today I will prepare for my Unit 8 test via Study Island so that I can demonstrate my knowledge of the people, places, and cultures of South Asia. I'll know I have it when my assignment is complete and I've made necessary adjustments to my Unit 8 study guide. Now, don't forget that somewhere back here you did a Unit 8 overview. I may not be able to get to it easily, but you did a Unit 8 overview. Oops, that was the key. Unit 8 overview somewhere back here for Unit 8. Let's see. I don't know the day, but I'm sure you know it was recent, so maybe it didn't make its way into my book. But anyway, you did an overview for Unit 8, so you can use that. I don't see what day it would have been. Maybe it was April 5th. Here it is right here. Looks like April 7th. This is the overview for the Unit 8. So April 7th, use that in order to complete the questions in Study Island. That will be a summative. It should not take you longer than a day. So it's Wednesday, and today you should be either completing your Asia facts, getting these done, if you didn't get them done yesterday, working on your notebook from the in-class notebook check, and working on Study Island. That's what we're doing today. And tomorrow is your test. So Thursday, you will be taking your test. If you are at home, that will be on Schoology. Eduphoria. If you are face-to-face, that will be paper-based. Okay? Have a good day.